What if I could show you a simple way to build a cash buyers list in 5 minutes using real estate agents? Does that sound like something you would be interested in? Well, guess what? I'm about to show you. So you know what you need to do is stand by. Let's get it.
Flip man, it's the flip man. Flip man. You want some money in your hand? Flipping houses without credit or your cash. Get that bag.
Hello guys, this is Ty, aka the Flip Man. So you want to build a cash buyers list in 5 minutes using real estate agents. Well, if you stick around, I'm going to show you how. But as a bonus, if you're not already familiar with it, I'm also going to show you how you can access the free one-page contract that I've used since 2003 to flip house after house after house, and many others all over the country have used that same free contract. Also, you're going to be able to access the free deal calculator that I've put together to simply help you understand if you have a deal or not. On top of that, I'm also going to share with you how you can partner with me on deals. If you have a great deal, if you have it under contract and you're afraid of the next step and don't know what to do. So on to building a cash buyers list in 5 minutes using real estate agents. Okay, so you first have to start with your tools. So you get over to dealulator.com, aka PropStream, and once you get there, you find one of these orange buttons that says start your 5-day free trial. That's assuming if you don't already have it. So you go over here because at least you take advantage of the 5-day free trial if you're just trying to build a buyer's list or whatever, but it does a lot more, it's more than worth it beyond the 5-day free trial. So now it'll take you over to this screen, then you fill out that, it'll take you to the next screen, and you'll end up here. Once you get your email, it'll allow you to log in. You can access it. So the first thing we're going to do is the zip code where your property is located, ideal is going to be the area where you're going to target cash buyers to build them using real estate agents. Now, sometimes zip codes cross over and you may have an A neighborhood and a D neighborhood in the same zip code. So just be aware of that also, but you'll be able to filter that out once you start talking to the agents and the properties that you're looking at. But I'm just trying to keep this simple for you. So we're going to use a zip code local to me here that's heavily populated. So 35215 as far as transactions. All right, so the first thing you'll do is you'll go up here to filter. All right, and a couple of ways you can get this list, but I'm going to show you the one that I think is more detailed on what you're looking for. But I'm going to show you the other one also. All right, so the first thing you'll do is you go here and simply select cash buyers. Right, you see a lot of other quick list choices there, and you want to do non-owner occupied. All right, then you're going to go down here. I don't care if it's vacant or not. You're going to go down here to property characteristics because we're doing it for houses. So we're going to do residential, and we're going to do single family. All right. Now we're going to go down here to MLS status. Okay, so we're going to say yes on the market, and then we're going to say sold. All right, I'm sorry, we have to do any on the market. So sold. All right, through MLS, and that's all we really need right there. All right, so now we're going to go down here to ownership. All right, 2 ways to go about this. You could do the individual and corporate. I'm just going to start out with corporate, right? And you can see the number over here is 219, which we'll get over here. You see it's unique properties, 219 of them. All right, so what you'll start to do is once you have your list here, you'll start to go through each one of these. All right, so on this one here, it's taking a second to populate, so let me find another one. The info, I don't know why they're doing that. Must be my internet. Okay, so so we got this one right here. So as you see, the things you always want to look for is MLS details. All right, when it has like this the number here with plus the number of pictures, more than likely it's listed on MLS, but it also shows you down here. You can see the actual cash sale right there back in October of 2020. And you can see the owner that's in an LLC. So that's what you're looking for. So a lot of times it's hard to find those individuals. And you can see they're based out of Texas, at least that's their mailing address or whatever. If you wanted to, you can look at the transaction history here. Back in 04, somebody financed it for $82,400, and then a cash purchase was done for $124,250 back in October. Well, officially it recorded in November, but I think it happened in October. All right, so now you want to go to the MLS details, and that's what we're really looking for. All right, so once you see this, what you do is you scroll down, right, and you can see the agent's name that had this property listed. Okay, so why is this important right now? This is the listing agent, so it may have not have been the actual person that produced the buyer, but that doesn't matter because the incentive that you'll give the agent obviously is that you always want to offer some money or some form of compensation for them to assist, because that's the only reason they're going to do it. They have to feed their families also, but they're going to be able to provide that the other agent if they were not the actual listing agent on this. I'm sorry, if they were the listing, if they were not the buyer's agent on that also, they may have been both on this particular transaction, which would be even better. But your objective, number one, to create a network. You want to introduce yourself. You are an investor in the area, and you're looking for other investors to sell some of your properties to. And so with this information, you're going to reach out to them by, their office number, right here. This is going to probably be their cell number. Then you have an email address for them. So that's what you're always looking for on each one of these. Okay, so let me pull up another one. Hopefully it'll just pop up. Okay, it did. All right, another MLS listed property. All right, again, here's the office number, their cell, their email. Boom. So that's a quick, simple way on how you can start to build a cash buyers list using real estate agents. Now, I want to show you the other way. Let me clear this out, okay? And you can simply go in here and just select the flippers tag here. Where is it? Flippers. The only thing about it, sometimes it may include like banks that about bought the property, because the thought of it is that what the system is pulling is properties that have been purchased normally with cash and then put back on the market within a certain time frame. Normally that's the process of a flipper, but it's not always that situation. That's why I went to the cash buyer option also. So you'll pull these up. We'll just say this one, it was an MLS listed property. The owner on this one, you can see there, and then there was a cash sale for 108 back in October, and then now it's an active listing for 118 or whatever. So they would automatically assume that that's a flipper, but I'm not sure what's going on because it's not a huge spread there. But again, there's an agent listed here, so you can possibly reach out to them to see. But the other method I think is better, and probably is going to get you in the type of properties that you're looking for. Now, what you could do also in the filters here, you could just do, because they put up only 33 of them. If you put up corporate, okay, now they reduced it to 23. So that may be more in line if they're not banks on this situation, just by filtering with the flippers. So again, I just wanted to show you this quick way of building a cash buyers list basically in 5 minutes using real estate agents. Now, again, if you want to use this tool, because it does so much more than this, and I'm going to try to do these small videos to show you what it does, but just get over here to dealyourlater.com and you can take advantage of the start your 5 free day trial. This particular video right here, what you can do a YouTube search for it. You can go here to the site and watch it. It goes into the top 10 ways that I like to use it, and I'm probably going to do a recent, an updated version of this going into the new year or whatever, 2021. So again, I hope this video helps. If you want to get it, just go to dealyourlater.com, and here you also can, fill out and use the same one-page contract that I've been using since 2003 for free. You can fill it out here, generate it, you could download it to print, to send to put in a seller's hand or to email if you want. Also have the deal calculator here, a simple calculator to help make you understand if you actually have a deal or not. And the last thing is, if you want to partner with me, just simply just go send deals here. The instructional video will explain here. If you don't see your market here, don't worry about that. You know, if you read the entire thing, if you don't see your city above, we still want your deals. Tap here to submit your deals now. So again, hopefully this video helps. Thanks guys, and we will see you on the flip side.
Flip man, it's the flip man. You want some money in your hand? Flipping houses without credit or your cash. Get that bag.